Okay, so here we are in the exclusive area of Hillsboro Mile, and there is your entrance. Yep, this is your entrance. Super, super bright. Beautiful fixtures. Top notch. So these are travertine floors. You can actually buff them and make them look a little shinier if you'd like, or just leave them the way they are. They're absolutely stunning. So when you walk in, this is your view right here. Right here. This place is stunning. I should say that it comes furnished. Very high ceilings. Now, you walk right through here to your beautiful patio. Okay, again, high ceilings. Look at the sky, how gorgeous. Look at the palm trees. And this is what you have. Direct access to the pool that's right in front of the beach. How fabulous is that? Now I'm gonna walk you back in, and this is your view. Okay? Front molding throughout. And here you have your kitchen. This is a table with 6 chairs. It's very spacious and you still have room to walk around. Here is your kitchen. Nice appliances, your wine bar, your wine cooler there. This is your view from the kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna turn around so you can see what I see from here. Now the 2 bedrooms are upstairs. You go up these stairs and look at the skylight. Super bright unit. And here they've created a little office. You could use that space as you would like. So you have basically 2 masters up here. To the right, you have a very big room, and this is a king-size bed. As you see, they have 2 chairs here. This is your closet, walk-in closet. It's not huge, but it's a very comfortable space. This is what I see, okay? The TVs are mounted. This is the view. Again, you have the view of the pool here and the palm trees. You have a little balcony here. You can sit out there. Here is one of the bathrooms. There's more closet space. This one has the shower. Very nice and bright shower. We walk out. Again, here is another closet. You have washer dryer on the 2nd floor. Super smart. And here you have the 2nd bedroom. Again, very large. This one looks at the parking lot. The tub and a shower. Floors are tiger wood floors. And another walk-in closet. The mounted TVs are again on the main floor. Right here down these stairs is the half a bath. It's a small bathroom, but it does the job. Now down here is where the 3rd bedroom would be. They have it as a sitting area, okay? But this could be another 3rd bedroom. They have another laundry room here, much bigger size. Through here is a closet, okay? However, you could make this into a 3rd full bath. It's completely separate, and right through here is your 1-car garage. Nice and neat. It's very large, actually. It's an oversized 1-car garage. You are walking out. Look how bright it is. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. So I'm going to walk you to the beach so you can see. By the way, Hillsboro Mile, it's all private beaches, okay? So you're not going to have any riffraff here. These are only people that live on the mile that have access to the beach. They have their own private police department. They're extremely